first one, you start on a first inversion G chord of this Karma Please Look At. Oh no, sorry. Like that. So B, D, G, A, little passing tone, to that A sharp of the F sharp chord, that's the other thing that makes it crazy, is that like you're basically in the key of G right there. So your head hears that as a B flat hard, and then you go right down through the F. I keep doing that wrong. F sharp, A sharp, F sharp, E. So it's the F sharp 7 arpeggio, and down to the C. It really messes with your head tonally. And then the second time is it comes down. It's the same deal. I'm going to do it the same octave, but D, B, G, D, E, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, and then resolves to the C, you know. And like a cool game to play is just figuring out how to play those licks around the neck in different places. You know, that one is really in this octave on the piano. Sorry. Apparently I can't do it either. Like that. I guess I would do that. You know, you could bar it. You know, would I do that any other way? It's easier to do it that way. Just playing around with that. But if you just find a couple of places, just to hear how weird this thing sounds. Yeah. That's the other one. And then this one. There you go. I'm going to leave it at 2 minutes.